सुष्मिता सेन पहुंची एक बुक लॉन्च इवेंट पर, जहां उनकी स्किन स्पेशलिस्ट ने एक बुक रिलीज की ऑन नेचुरल होममेड रेमेडीज। इस बुक को सपोर्ट करते हुए सुष्मिता सेन ने कहा कि
दिस बुक is actually based on the beliefs of a single individual, a person who has done that repeatedly. She epitomizes that herself. Dr. Nirmala Shetty is a person that introduced me and 70 other young girls during the I Am She phase to what is natural, what is beautiful, what is absolutely skin deep, you know. Always turned around and said, beauty should not be about take this, use these chemical products, find so many different treatments to look after your hair, skin, body, everything. It's about sleep. Get your 8 hours. Get your water intake right. Make sure you have the right vitamins in you.
जी हाँ, सुष्मिता सेन मानती हैं कि ब्यूटी केमिकल्स पर नहीं बल्कि नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स पर डिपेंड करती है। इसके अलावा सुष्मिता सेन ने ये भी कहा that one should accept their age gracefully.
Every individual has a different need and a very different level of patience in them. I don't think you can dictate that to a person. A person will take it at the pace that they are comfortable. But I do believe very strongly in the fact that when you say something is natural, the first thing you have to accept is that nature has a timeline. आप कितनी कोशिश कर लो, बरसात के समय से पहले नहीं आती। आप कितनी कोशिश कर लो, सीजन नहीं बदलता। Everything nature decides at a given time, and therefore even the lines we get and the wrinkles that come around, they are a part of nature's way of saying, अब ये वाला मौसम आ गया है, you know, and you have to accept it. Some people can, some can't, and well, that's fine too. For me, I think every line on my face, every product I use is something I've learned over a period of time. I've chosen to use them, chosen to feel a certain way, and then there have been times when certain lines disturb you and say, ये तो नहीं बने, कहाँ से आ गए? And then you look at them and you say, मैंने कमाई है, जिंदगी में बहुत मुस्कुराया है, तो लाफ लाइन्स आ गई, बहुत स्क्विंट किया है, कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया है, तो क्रो फीट आ गए. It's a part of life, and the more you accept it, the more beautiful you grow with those lines.
Well, that's true. Not everyone can accept aging well. वैसे घर पे भी सुष्मिता सेन और उनकी बेटी नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स और फ्रूट्स के साथ काफी एक्सपेरिमेंट करती हैं.
My elder daughter Renee is for some reason into avocado packs. So she finds them, she puts them in the fridge, makes them cold, and then at will chops them and applies them on herself. And I'm the guinea pig that she tries everything new on. So this is, she's in boarding, so she and the other girls are very excited to know that so many young people today are learning how to do things themselves. That could also be a result of the fact that mothers don't allow you to buy anything. So then you end up making things for yourself and taking.
और अब हमें भी पता चल गया कि यही नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स की वजह से सुष्मिता सेन has managed to look beautiful even at this age, which acts as an inspiration for many youngsters. For Rudrani Chaturaj, Zoom, Mumbai.